In today's video, I made iceberg slime. They are white slimes that are in 8-ounce containers, and I drew on them with some markers, and that's pretty much it. Me and my friend got together and made these designs on them. She's super creative. You will meet her in an upcoming vlog. Her name is Grace, and we had tons of fun drawing these, so I hope you enjoy watching them. If you want to learn how to make your own iceberg slime, I have a recipe on page 86 of my book, Ultimate Slime. The link will be down below if you want to check it out. So without further ado, let's get into these awesome slimes. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all next time.